Cohort team grown their skills and knowledge since the first week?
They've added a lot of hands-on skills, I would say. They have built and rebuilt stuff that was a struggle for them. And then technically, we're now starting a second month, so we're just starting into the technical like knowledge conversations. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes.
What have been some of the challenges?
In teaching a cohort, having this many people at once, um, I go home exhausted. That's the challenge. There's a lot of people to like invest in and talk to, but I'm happy. Um, Challenges for them. Um, I would say a lot of them for the very first time having to climb up ladders and get on roofs, go through attics, crawl into tight spaces. That's a story we're always hearing about when they come back out of the field. So
How have their attitudes evolved towards learning? Are they doing it any easier? Are they finding things more difficult?
I would say that after we've had to let go a few team members, that everybody has pushed harder to learn and to make the most of this time and to like invest in it. So I'm seeing an improvement, like a steady improvement of their attitude towards learning.
And what do you believe are the biggest learning needs for the next month?
I think the biggest learning needs is they need to understand the concepts, a lot of the foundational concepts of their trade, so that they can have better conversations with the technicians in the field.
What qualities or indicators do you look for in the apprentices that makes them seem like they'll be successful long term?
Okay, biggest quality I would say is their vulnerability. They show that they don't know something and they're willing to try anyway. And so that's one of the biggest qualities is that I'm going to try even though I don't know, and I'm not scared to tell you I don't understand what you're saying. So that would be one of them. The other one is definitely your work ethic. If you're struggling to understand something and to use a certain tool, that's fine. But if you can also prove that I'm going to work really hard. So I would say work ethic, and then the vulnerability and honesty of just saying I need help.
And your final question is what has been the most rewarding aspect of training so far?
That group of people over there, I'm starting to get to know them, and it's really fun to see they're all helping each other. Yesterday, someone came up to me with a question, and another teammate just jumped in to help and take over, and because they could see I was busy, and just seeing that like the investment between them towards each other, it's pretty awesome.